All right, folks, here we are back again for part 4. Now I understand why this thing, it stops all of a sudden. It has a maximum recording time, and then it makes me shut up, which maybe that's something I should do anyway. But let us continue, and I'll walk through the Brooklyn Botanic Gardens. I think it's going to cut me off after about 7 or 8 minutes, which probably videos should not be any longer than that to begin with. So, yes, I do apologize for these abrupt stops in filming. More pathways, more time to meander. Yeah, now this is a true meaning of a flaneur. On this lovely Sunday, November 6, 2016. Oh, okay, we got some water going on over here in this bridge-like area. Let's check that out. Yeah. Looks like it has some algae and stuff growing on it. Wait a minute, here's some signs. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. Anyway, I hope you can see. I can do this without, of course, dropping my camera in the water, which would not benefit any of us. And I'm going to move slowly along. So you can get a good view of everything and the way they have it arranged. I mean, it's really gorgeous. It's just incredible what you can see out here. It's just, I don't know, it's just magnificent and outstanding. All right. Hold on. When I get back home, I'm going to edit this. All right, here's an explanation. Is that algae in the pond? Pondweed is an aquatic plant that produces ribbon-like leaves underwater and larger oval-shaped floating leaves on the surface. The seeds, tubers, and other plant parts provide food and cover for aquatic animals and waterfowl. Very nice. So that's an explanation of what you see over there. Here's some steps. I'm not quite sure I want to go that direction, so I will continue this way. New York ironweed. I'm not going to try to pronounce the Latin names of these plants. I would just do an injustice with my poor pronunciation. I mean, I'm not the greatest speaker in the world, but I hope all of y'all can